Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to unhide a folder in Windows. So to unhide a folder, first open File Explorer or open any folders on your desktop here. And then next step is to go to the View tab at the top of the File Explorer window. Now in the Show or Hide group, check the box that says Hidden Items here. So just a heads up, I have a hidden folder on my desktop named Old Files. Now we will see if it will appear on my desktop once we check these hidden items. Wait. So here, it is already appearing on my desktop once we're done checking the hidden items. And that's it. You now know how to unhide a folder in Windows. It's as simple as that. You've successfully uncovered your hidden folder and made it visible again. Keep this handy trick in mind whenever you need to access your hidden files. Thanks for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to unhide a folder in Windows. See you on my next video.